Wow, Binance Exchange destroyed about $112,000 worth of Terra Classic. Yes, Binance Exchange destroyed $112,000 worth of Terra Classic LUNC, and these have actually taken the total burn towards 37 billion coins of Terra Classic. And it means Binance are now hitting almost 80 to 90 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Okay, yes, Binance are hitting almost between 80 to 90 million worth of Terra Classic coins has been destroyed by Binance. Wow, this is a lot of money. This is actually a lot of money. Now, recently, I talked about this today, Binance were able to burn about 112,000 worth of Terra Classic, taking the total amount to about almost 37 billion coins of Terra Classic, which is amazing. So I'm very happy for this, though we know this is a lot of money, and we know that a lot of people have actually contributed towards this. A lot of Terra Classic community have all been giving all their support, their best towards Terra Classic LUNC to see that this coin turns out to become a successful coin within the next few months or few years. A lot of people want to make sure that Terra Classic will definitely become that coin that will revive, that coin that will bring back smiles, because a lot of people lost a lot of money. So right now we're just hoping for this coin to destroy in 2 or 3 zeros. Definitely we'll be making a lot of money. So if you have just let's say $20, you see yourself maybe earning almost $2,000 to $10,000 with Terra Classic. You can see that that is a lot of profit, and this is what so many people are focusing to make sure this Terra Classic LUNC rises. And of course, even the USTC, if you also hit 50 cents or $1, believe me, that is going to be on the biggest profit in the past few years, because Luna is definitely going towards pushing Terra Classic LUNC and also USDC, and the two of them, definitely Binance have been supporting these two coins. They have been burning USDC, and also they have been burning LUNC. But today, in the past 24 hours, Binance have been able to destroy about $112,000 worth of Terra Classic LUNC. This is amazing. I'm happy to see this. I'm happy to see Binance destroy such amount of coins. So we're hoping for more coins. We're hoping to see when in a month we should be burning at least Terra Classic worth of $1 million. Okay, yes, that means LUNC need to be burning about 14 to 15 billion pounds in a month. Of course, there was a time they were almost close to it, more than half of this. So if we can support, and if the top holders of this coin can also support, I believe they can hit over 5 to 10 million bonds in a month. Yes, Terra Classic can burn up to 50 to 100 billion coins of Terra Classic. There's a possibility for us to reach that level. Yeah, it is possible. Even though when the 1.2% tax ban was introduced, a lot of people believed that it was going to do what? To burn almost 50 to 60 or 80 billion coins in a day. But it wasn't that way. But I still believe there's a possibility for over 100 billion bonds in 1 month. Okay, in 1 month we can reach that level. Terra Classic have all it takes. The only thing they need right now is that support. Remember that so many crypto exchanges, from Get.io, from Crypto.com, from Kucoin, from Binance itself, which is the world's biggest crypto exchange, a lot of them are behind supporting Terra Classic LUNC. So I believe that in the nearest future, this coin is going to rise. So right now, they need to also focus more on the burning of Terra Classic, which Binance have already started. Okay, the burning of Terra Classic originally started, that was 18th of May 2022. Yes, 18th of May 2022. This should be about 15 months now. Okay, since after 15 months, the introduction of the burning of Terra Classic and also the tax burn, LUNC have been able to burn billions, but they are yet to hit 80 billion bonds. So it is not easy, but we are looking towards burning at least 100 billion coins in 1 single month, so that by the next 5 years to come, before the end of 2030, you might see Terra Classic reaching the price of 1 cent 10 cents or even $1. That's a possibility. But we're happy for all this, and I'm happy for Binance destroying so many coins, 112,000 just in the past 24 hours. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.